Hi there. I'm going to show you how to load captions to your YouTube video. Here at UC Davis, every video we upload to YouTube needs to be captioned so that we are ADA compliant. First, you're going to need to upload your video to YouTube. Once you've done that and you're logged in, go to the video and click Video Manager. Next, you're going to find your video, which will be at the top if it is your most recently uploaded video. Click Edit. On the next page, you'll see some selections at the top. We want to navigate to subtitles and CC. When we click there, you'll notice that YouTube has automatic captions turned on. Generally speaking, these are not very good. They are inaccurate and may contain words we don't want to use. To disable those, just click on the button and click Actions. Right under that will be Unpublished. Go ahead and click that. As you navigate back to the previous section, you'll notice there is no longer a green dot next to English. That means it is not published, which you can see when you hover over it. So now we want to add our captions. This is simply a transcript of your video. If you're on a Mac, TextEdit works great for this. You do not need to add time codes in the transcript. YouTube gets its timing pretty close, but you will need to create the transcript in a plain text format. This is where using TextEdit comes in handy. If you go to the top and click Text Edit, then Preferences, you will get a dialog box that will let you choose a format. You have two choices, rich text or plain text. If you're on a Windows machine, you'll want to use a native word processor on your machine, or Microsoft Word. You'll just save it as a plain text format when saving. Next, you'll need to save the document. I like to save mine in the same project folder as my video, and name it so I know what it is in case I need it again. Let's head back to YouTube, where I'm going to click Add New Subtitles or CC. Go ahead and select English. If there's been a little bit of time between uploading and doing this part, it'll ask you if you want to override those automatic captions. Just say yes. Next, you're going to click Upload a File. We're going to select Transcript. If you had a subtitle format document, you'd select the other option. Navigate to your TXT file, then hit Open, and then Upload. You can see that our transcription is all there. Next, we just got to select Set Timings, and YouTube will sync our transcription with the audio in the video. This can be very quick or several minutes. YouTube has synced our text to the audio in the video. For this video, which is just over a minute long, it took only a couple minutes to sync. You'll notice that there is no green dot next to English, which means it is not published. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll see on the right that your transcription has been broken up into sections. To the left of them, you'll see some numbers that are time indicators. For the first one, it's saying the caption will enter at 5 seconds and be out at 16 seconds. The next caption will come in at 17.6 seconds. Let's jump ahead a little bit and take a listen. So you'll notice that the caption came in way before our voice did. This is something we can easily change, one of two ways. It seems to come in a little after 9 seconds, so we can navigate to our time indicator and manually enter a time. After you hit enter, you can see in the waveform bar that the caption has moved to line up with the waveforms created by the voice. Let's play it.
These are a series of kinetic sculptures.
All right, the beginning looks good. The other way we can change the timing is using the waveform bar at the bottom. If we hover over the edge of the caption box, we can see it is possible to drag. Using those waveforms, we can see that the caption ends a little bit before the voice does. All we need to do is simply click and drag until we're satisfied with its location. You'll notice the end time on the first caption changed. We can even give it a little more. Let's go ahead and play it for you.
That control them.
That looks great. There are some best practices when adding captions to videos. One is indicating that music is playing. This is easily done after the transcript is loaded. Go to the top box and type left bracket, music, right bracket. Make sure you have the caption that you want this to proceed selected, and then hit the add button. It places it right at the beginning. We just have to adjust the time. And that's it. You can see already that the word music is in a spot in which only music is being played. After you've gone through all your captions and set the proper timings, Go ahead and hit publish. On the next page, you'll notice the green dot is there, indicating that your captions are live. Again, if you hover over, it'll tell you that. Next, let's go to the video page and make sure everything looks okay. Right away, we can see that the captions are on and see the word music where music is playing. You can turn off captions by hitting CC, or you go to the little gear, which is the settings, and select off or another language if one is available. And that's it. You now have captioned video.